The cat is in the box.
The cat is in the box.
I am in my room.
I am in my room.
The fish swim in the water.
The fish swim in the water.
The students are in the classroom.
The students are in the classroom.
We live in California.
We live in California.
The book is on the desk.
The book is on the desk.
The cat sits on the chair.
The cat sits on the chair.
The picture is on the wall.
The picture is on the wall.
The bird is on the tree.
The bird is on the tree.
The hat is on the shelf.
The hat is on the shelf.
I am at home.
I am at home.
We meet at the bus stop.
We meet at the bus stop.
She works at the hospital.
She works at the hospital.
They study at school.
They study at school.
I wait at the door.
I wait at the door.
The mouse hides under the sofa.
The mouse hides under the sofa.
The cat hides under the table.
The cat hides under the table.
The toy is under the chair.
The toy is under the chair.
The fish swim under the bridge.
The fish swim under the bridge.
The rabbit hides under the bush.
The rabbit hides under the bush.
The chair is next to the window.
The chair is next to the window.
The flower shop is next to the cafe.
The flower shop is next to the cafe.
The dog sits next to me.
The dog sits next to me.
The tree is next to the house.
The tree is next to the house.
The book is next to the lamp.
The book is next to the lamp.
The cat is behind the sofa.
The cat is behind the sofa.
The boy hides behind the tree.
The boy hides behind the tree.
The moon is behind the clouds.
The moon is behind the clouds.
The garden is behind the house.
The garden is behind the house.
The car parks behind the store.
The car parks behind the store.
The car stops in front of the bank.
The car stops in front of the bank.
The teacher stands in front of the class.
The teacher stands in front of the class.
The flowers grow in front of the house.
The flowers grow in front of the house.
The bus stops in front of the store.
The bus stops in front of the store.
The child plays in front of the window.
The child plays in front of the window.
The cat sleeps inside the box.
The cat sleeps inside the box.
The book is inside the bag.
The book is inside the bag.
The mouse hides inside the wall.
The mouse hides inside the wall.
The cake is inside the fridge.
The cake is inside the fridge.
The fish swims inside the bowl.
The fish swims inside the bowl.
The dog plays outside the house.
The dog plays outside the house.
The birds sing outside my window.
The birds sing outside my window.
The children wait outside the school.
The children wait outside the school.
The cat sits outside the door.
The cat sits outside the door.
The flowers grow outside the fence.
The flowers grow outside the fence.
The ball is between two trees.
The ball is between two trees.
I sit between my parents.
I sit between my parents.
The flower grows between the rocks.
The flower grows between the rocks.
The bench is between two trees.
The bench is between two trees.
The cat sleeps between the pillows.
The cat sleeps between the pillows.
The book is about animals.
The book is about animals.
She talks about her family.
She talks about her family.
The movie is about friendship.
The movie is about friendship.
I think about my dog.
I think about my dog.
We learn about music.
We learn about music.
She walks without umbrella.
She walks without umbrella.
The boy runs without shoes.
The boy runs without shoes.
She reads without glasses.
She reads without glasses.
The room is without light.
The room is without light.
He paints without brushes.
He paints without brushes.
This gift is for you.
This gift is for you.
I study for the test.
I study for the test.
She waits for the bus.
She waits for the bus.
We shop for food.
We shop for food.
The cat looks for a mouse.
The cat looks for a mouse.
I play with my dog.
I play with my dog.
She draws with crayons.
She draws with crayons.
He walks with friends.
He walks with friends.
She writes with a pen.
She writes with a pen.
The boy sleeps with Teddy Bear.
The boy sleeps with Teddy Bear.
I go to school by bus.
I go to school by bus.
She travels by train.
She travels by train.
We learn by reading.
We learn by reading.
The story is written by hand.
The story is written by hand.
They sit by the lake.
They sit by the lake.
I eat after school.
I eat after school.
She sleeps after dinner.
She sleeps after dinner.
We play after work.
We play after work.
The rainbow comes after rain.
The rainbow comes after rain.
They clean after lunch.
They clean after lunch.
I eat before class.
I eat before class.
She reads before sleep.
She reads before sleep.
We meet before sunset.
We meet before sunset.
The bird sings before dawn.
The bird sings before dawn.
They practice before lunch.
They practice before lunch.
I read during breakfast.
I read during breakfast.
She sleeps during class.
She sleeps during class.
We swim during summer.
We swim during summer.
Birds sing during spring.
Birds sing during spring.
They talk during lunch.
They talk during lunch.
I live here since 2020.
I live here since 2020.
She works here since Monday.
She works here since Monday.
We are friends since school.
We are friends since school.
The shop opens since morning.
The shop opens since morning.
He plays piano since childhood.
He plays piano since childhood.
The cat sits among flowers.
The cat sits among flowers.
I walk among trees.
I walk among trees.
The butterfly flies among roses.
The butterfly flies among roses.
She stands among friends.
She stands among friends.
The rabbit hops among carrots.
The rabbit hops among carrots.